Hello everybody, in today's tutorial we'll be going over how to buy the IOTX token. So try to stick around to the end. Today's video is going to be very simple and very straightforward. So with that said, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to make sure to have is to head to Pancakeswap.finance. Make sure it's HTTPS because there are some phishing pages that are fake and may steal all of your tokens and stuff like that. But yeah, with that said, it's going to be very straightforward. Make sure to pay attention as people get scammed while buying those meme tokens. For example, we have the IOTX. It's not really a meme token, but you get the idea. People may get scammed, which is not cool whatsoever. So the second thing you're gonna have to make sure is that you have a wallet that's supported by the Pancakeswap. In this example, we're gonna use metamask, but if you use Binance Exchange, for example, just go for the Binance wallet. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So after that, we're going to choose metamask. We are for sure gonna make sure that we have our metamask wallet up here in the extensions of Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever browser you're using. Pretty much metamask is supported by all of those. Make sure you're using the Binance Smart Chain, because this is the network that Pancakeswap works on. After doing that, make sure to send some BNB to your own address. Right here is going to be this. You're just gonna copy this and you will be able to send some BNB to that token. You can buy them using credit card or PayPal or whatever service you choose. After that, hit to the trade section, click on swap. So this is going to swap from BNB to the token we want. So for example, say you have BUSD, you're just gonna type BUSD and you will be able to swap it. But yeah, you get the idea. So I'm gonna head to Cake and we are going to copy the token we want right here. So we're gonna next head to CoinMarketCap. We're gonna search for the token we want, go to the contract address. So if this is Ethereum, don't copy it, go to more, click it, and you'll find BNB, which is, as I said, the network we're using. After that, head to here, paste it, import it, click I understand, import the token. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Click the max, click swap, you're good to go.